Hey guys, this title is not a clickbait. I actually sold my Bitcoin for this Ferrari today. This is a new Ferrari F8 Spider and I bought it today with my Bitcoin. Let me explain you why I actually did this. So first of all, I want to make sure guys that you like this video, smash up the likes, click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. And I sold my Bitcoin only for one reason. My Bitcoins that I had, I sold because I was already in profit. The Bitcoins that I sold for this car were profit. It was not my hodling position, and I want that you learn this lesson, that you don't touch your hodling position to get one of these cars here. So if it's profit, it's absolutely fine to buy a car like this, but like I said, just don't do it with your hodling portfolio. I closed my trade that you saw usually on my YouTube channel when I was a little bit over break even, and I had also mentioned many times that this trade was already a trade that was in profit. Guys, another thing that I want to talk about is your mindset. If you want to own a car like this one day, 3 years ago, I had never imagined that I would be able to afford a car like this. If you remember from some other videos from the past where I told you where I came from 3 years ago, I was basically broke. And today I can stay here and say that I own a Ferrari. And this car I actually bought out of an impulse, what you should now normally not do. I was looking for another one, a way cheaper one, but it was not available here in Dubai. In Dubai it's a problem to get cars like this. And yeah, so that was then the only option that was available here, and that's why I bought it. So, and this Ferrari costs, just to give you some perspective, $400,000 that I paid today in cash and partially with my Bitcoins for this car. So obviously today in this video there will be no TA, but I want really that you understand that if you put your mind to work and you have a goal in your mind that you want to achieve, you can definitely do it. There are a lot of books about self-development that can actually teach you that, but I want to give you a really quick lesson how you can train your mind to be laser focused and to get the positive mindset that you need to achieve things like this. So if you reach back to the moment where you were a child, like 3 to 5 years old only, if you think back to that time, when you had a dream in your mind that you were thinking like, I want to be a policeman, I want to be a fireworker, I want to go to space, I want to become a nurse or something like this, in your mind there was no barrier to achieve that. The barrier got set later by society and your surrounding around you, where people said, no, you cannot do this. So, but when you were a child, you don't have this barrier in your mind. So try to get this child back in your focus and try to get the feeling that you had when you were a child. And when you are able to train, so over time, obviously, to get this feeling back, you will see how things will move around in your life and that you will actually attract things like this without actually looking for it. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to the channel if you like videos like that, when I also talk not only about crypto, but also about mindset and how you can achieve dreams and goals like this. Hit the notification bell and I will see you tomorrow.